Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Erica McCleskey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to quickly take your everyday work makeup or whatever you're wearing it for and turn it into a nighttime New Year's Eve look. And it's just a few quick, easy steps. I already started on this side, but then I decided to come and film this, so now I'm going to be finishing it with you guys. So this is pretty much like my everyday makeup minus some of this highlight that I have going on right now. Normally, by the end of your workday, your makeup might be coming off just a little bit or like fading, whatever, so you can do any of your touch-ups. Like I would always recommend touching up any powder, blush, highlight, do another coat of mascara, whatever. And then you can always go over it with a makeup setting spray like this one from Morphe. That'll prolong the wear of your makeup and just kind of freshen things up again so that you don't look too powdery or cakey, and it'll just melt all your makeup back into your skin. Or you can take like a makeup primer oil like this one from Smashbox. You can take a few drops on the back of your hand, take a beauty sponge, lightly dab it in there, work most of the product off the sponge, and then lightly tap all over your face, and that'll just really wake up your skin again and make it all look fresh and new. And then from there, I know most people probably will just be going straight from work to whatever your New Year's Eve plans are, so I wanted to make it really simple and quick for you guys. And I don't want you to have to carry around a bunch of different things if you're going out or just going out to dinner with friends or whatever. So first I'm just going to start off by making my eyes look bright and perky, like I had about 5 cups of coffee today, but really I haven't had any. So this little secret is something I found out about from the Skinny Confidential. Go follow her if you're not already, but this is the NYX Shimmer Down Pigment in Platinum. You can get this at Ulta. I take just a little bit in the cap, and then I take like a small pointed brush like this one and just give it, you can either wet the brush or give it a quick mist of setting spray. Dip that into the pigment, tap off any excess powder, and then I hope you can see this, but just put it right in that inner corner of your eye and then lightly bring it up just onto your lid a tiny bit in this inner corner, and then right down here on your lower lash line as well. And can you see how much it just like brightened up my whole eye without doing anything else? It's crazy. The only thing I have on for eyeshadow right now is just a bronzer and then this, but it just makes such a big difference. And I'm gonna wet my brush a little bit more so it's a little more intense. And this will also keep the product in place by spraying it with a setting mist before you're applying it. And if you feel like you got too much, you can just kind of wipe it with your finger and blend it, or go back in with like a fluffy brush and blend it away. You can also put it like on your Cupid's bow, anywhere else you want to brighten up. I haven't tried it as like a highlight, but hey, it might be perfect for New Year's, and it's really cheap and a little goes a long way. Okay, so the next thing, I like to take a little bit of this Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, the Extra Beaming Highlight, and just pop it right at the highest points of my face. And I just take like the tiniest amount and put it right there. This makes your skin almost look like face-tuned without doing any face tuning. So just a little there, right above my eyebrow. You can do it on your nose if you want, but this one is very intense. And there's some other shades too, so I know this is probably too light for a lot of skin tones, but super pretty. And then I just got this one. It's the Fenty How Many Carats Diamond Bomb. And I like this one especially for New Year's because it's like glittery, as you can tell. But it almost makes your skin look wet or just super glowy. So then I'm putting that right over the top of that other highlight. I'm going to bring it in a C from my eyebrow, across my temple, and then down onto my cheekbone. And you can build this up as much or as little as you want, but for New Year's, you probably want to be extra because it's going to be dark for one thing, and you're gonna have it on all night, and you're gonna be glowing into the new year. So I say if any day to go all out, it would be New Year's Eve. Plus, then if you're looking for a New Year's kiss, they can find you with your highlight. Mine better not run away from me, or otherwise he'll be a dead man. So like I said, with this inner corner, you can also set your face or spray your brush before going into this highlight, and that'll make the highlight a little more intense as well. It gives it something to stick onto. So see, even just spraying the brush a tiny bit, it's already more intense and wet looking. So then for one of the last steps, I'm just going to add a couple little gems just right to the inner corner just to spice it up a little bit more. So these are some Swarovski crystals that I got from Michael's, and they're just these really tiny ones. I think you can probably hear Sasha freaking out upstairs, so sorry about that. She keeps seeing squirrels outside and just losing her little mind. Poor Sasha. Okay, so all you need to apply the crystals are some lash glue. You can use a tweezers or one of the, I usually have a little tool that I got from Michael's as well to apply these, but I don't know where it is right now. So I'm just applying like a dab where I'm going to want the crystal, or you can apply it on the back, but I was just trying to do that and it wasn't working out so well. So just putting a dot of glue right where I'm going to want that crystal. Sasha, quit itching. And then taking my tweezers or whatever you have, pick up your little crystal, and then you can just pop it on and just press it down a tiny bit. We're going to get some added sparkle. And same thing on the other side. And when I am applying crystals like this, I like to have a little mirror in my hand where I can be looking down below and up close, but then I also have a mirror straight in front of me so that I can make sure things are lined up and they look like they're even. So that's all I'm going to do for the gems. You could add some more like over in these corners or underneath your eye. I'd probably add some more, but I'm not sure what the plan is for today yet, so I might save it for tomorrow. Then you could also add some winged liner if you want. I'm just going to keep it really simple and fresh and glowy, so I'm just going to be done there. And then you can go in and add a bolder lip color, but like I said, I just want to keep mine really fresh and glossy and dewy. So I'm taking this Fenty Beauty Mini Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy and just applying a coat of this. Such a pretty pink color. It has just the right amount of shimmer in it. Also, you can get these two in a set together now at Sephora. I think it's like $20 or $25, but I've been wanting to try both of them and I did now and I love both, so super excited. But if you're wanting to wear this look for New Year's tomorrow, you can go to Sephora and pick up this mini set and then you'll be good to go and glowing. Otherwise, you can also get the Jaclyn Cosmetics highlighter at Morphe stores. Another drugstore option would be from Maybelline, the Master Chrome highlights. There's a really pretty one. I think it's shade 250. Those are really pretty. It's a really comparable color to these that I used on my cheeks today, and also pretty intense. But if you have any questions, just feel free to comment down below and I'll help you out as much as I can. If you can't find something, I can try to help you find some other options. I can do that anytime, so feel free to message me or comment and just let me know. And if you're not already, make sure you're following me so that you see more of my beauty content, and give this a like and leave me a comment down below letting me know what your plans are for New Year's. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!